Volcanoes are so much fun! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! And we are the Science Bunch! We'll tell you about volcanoes.
A type of volcano is a shield volcano. They have slow, gentle eruptions.
With shield volcanoes, their magma flows steadily. An example of a shield volcano is the Hawaiian Islands. Now we will tell you about composite volcanoes. These volcanoes have steep sides and are cone-shaped. Composite volcanoes have quiet eruptions and violent eruptions. Composite volcanoes have thick, sticky magma. Okay. Composite volcanoes have pyroclastic flow.
An example of a composite volcano is Mount St. Helens.
Volcanoes are so much fun! Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah, fun in the sun. Woo! Okay.